so.
Penny, you gonna do okay with this?
She kinda likes it.
Then look at
Hi, hi.
is it car on its own?
You put it in neutral and then it just drives. Penny, you doing okay? Penny looks like she's at the club right now.
Whoa, feel the window.
How we doing, Penny?
It's like a jellyfish is around us.
Yeah. You doing all right, Penny? She's doing real good.
Time to open my window.
You're crazy. Does Penny need to go outside and be washed, Grant? Is this how we give her a bath? Is she too messy from the dog park?
Yeah. Hey, Daddy.
What?
It's a car wash, but they didn't know what, like, the other cars probably had junk on it.
I know, right?
So what about this junk on this? And making our cars dirty.
I hope they're using clean stuff.
I mean, he brings up a good point.
Penny, you're doing really well. I think she's just that tired from all the running around.
Yeah. She was crying a lot before we came in.
She's probably like, this is cool.
It looks so cool.
Whoa, the window's shaking.
All right, Penny, good job.